Welcome back everybody to TechWest. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with a sign-up form into Mailchimp. I'm going to show you how to do this in a very easy way. The very first thing you want to do to get started right away is to sign up here into Mailchimp. You have the link down below in the description, guys, just in case you haven't claimed a free account here into Mailchimp and you might be having a few credits that you can use totally for free within the next hours after you have signed up into Mailchimp. Now, Mailchimp offers a range of powerful tools to help you engage with your audience, and one of the most essential features is the sign-up form. These forms allow visitors to subscribe to your email list, making it easier to communicate with your audience and send out newsletter promotions and updates. So, a good sign-up form is simple, clear, and inviting, giving visitors a reason to subscribe. So let's see what we can do to get started. First of all, of course, need to log in into Mailchimp. Once you are logged in, you want to focus into this huge button that says Create. Now, you have regular email, automation, or landing page. Usually, we can of course focus into the left part and go for a sign-up form. So we can choose whether that will be from an in-beam form, pop-up form, and sign-up landing page. In my case, for this example, let's say that I'm going to be getting started for an in-beam code, so we can paste it into a specific website. Now, into this in-beam form name, let's say for example new subscribers. Now I can be understanding and gathering some customer information and how I like to be creating this customizable form. It can be built into my website. Now, into the audience, I have created an actual audience. But if you don't have an audience here into the left part, you can just create one here back into this dashboard of the Mailchimp. But in my case, I'm going to start and beginning creating my actual new sign-up form. Now here we have this preview of how it actually looks to our subscribe button. In this case, I'm going to of course customize my sign-up form. So here into the form fields, you can add the elements that you do want to see. For example, here I have an email, but let's say that I want to enable first, last name, and I think the phone number is relevant for me. Now the email, I'm going to just drag it down and enable here. Now it's really important that if there is a field that needs to be required, you want to select the form field and display section that says set as required. I'm going to do exactly the same thing with all the features that appears here, because I wanted of course to receive the required information of all these people. Now here I'm going to go for continue, back, and here are my few settings. Now the form title, we have to subscribe to our newsletter. Now here I have remove styles. I'm going to just go back. This is just a matter of how it actually looks. We can add different text for context and a referral badge. Now in my case, I'm going to just go back, go for continue, and this is the part where I wanted to paste my form into a specific section. In this case, here's an in-beam form code. I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to go into my site where I wanted to paste, of course, this in-beam code. In this case, let's try it out with, for example, a coding here from TechWest here into Google Sites. So I'm going to go here into in-beam code. I paste my code. I go for next, and here's my newsletter subscription. Now I'm going to try to make this a little bit bigger so it feels into the whole web. Once you have finished doing this process, then I'm going to click it now into save. Make sure it looks exactly as the whole page. Let's go for published. Publish once again, and let's try this out. Before you try this out, you can just go back into the edit or go into all the forms to check out how it actually looks your forms. So in this case, here appears all the forms we have just created. Now let's for example start by filling this form. Just to do this here into my website to make sure it actually worked. For example, here I'm going to go for example at example.com. First of all, example, man, and phone number 123456789. Once to here subscription, let's go back into Mailchimp. I'm going to reload my page, and what I need to do, of course, is to see the subscription here elements. For example, I can go into analytics. And here into recent growth, I have the one contact subscribed. So as you can see, here's my new contact, and you can check out the information that somebody just add. For example, here's the email address, the first last name, the address, the phone number, and it was subscribed. What I can do is to select this one and tag this content or to send it into a specific section here from the contact section. So that, guys, is how we can actually start with a form fields. We could of course add a call to action or some incentives if you're editing more elements, but we can do this later on. So if you wanted to set up some automatic welcome emails, for example, one of the best ways to keep new subscribers engaged is by sending an automated welcome email right after they sign up. This helps you making a great first impression. So we can go here into create automation, and here into automation I can go for welcome new context. And into welcome new context, you want to context people who kind of sign up for the specific form that we have just created. And there you have it, guys, a really easy way of how we can actually do this process in a very fast and effective way. You can preview and test if this one works for you before going live, of course, and before sending this newsletter to your new customers, guys. So once you have tested and made any final adjustments, it's time to go live and you're good to go. So that's it, guys. You have created a professional sign-up form onto Mailchimp. I hope this guys help you grow your email list and connect with your audience. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome content here in TechExpress. Thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time.